I'm gonna have some juice, okay?
Alright. Oh, yeah, is it okay if, you know, my girlfriend comes over?
You're not inviting your crazy friends like last time, are you?
No, I'm not just.
It was shocking what I found in the fridge.
That wasn't us, by the way. If we find that thing in our fridge again, I'm gonna call the pesticides.
Move over. The pesticides, really? Honestly. It's Nude!
It's pooping.
Ew. Get out of our fridge, Reginald!